Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise. You will click on settings. You will go to this sign off settings like this and you will click. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will search about Wise app and you will enter. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.